In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to block spam emails on your iPhone. So all you have to need, open the Mail app on your iPhone and select the inbox, and then scroll down and find out the spam email that you want to block. Now open the Mail, and here tap on the Mail name at the top, or you can just tap on the Mail profile photo and tap on name. And here tap on view contact card, and here you have to tap on block this contact. Tap on block this contact, tap on save, and you have successfully blocked the spam email sender. And after that, you have to go to your iPhone settings. In settings, you have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app list, you have to find out the Mail app and open the Mail app. In here, you have to scroll down and come to these trading section. Here tap on blocked sender options, and here actions, you have to select move to trash, and messages from blocked senders are marked as blocked and can either remain in your inbox or automatically be moved to the trash folder. Once you selected this option, now on, whenever the spam contact sends you any message, immediately their messages will be stored in the trash folder without notifying you. Thanks for watching.